Let's get started.
Back on the car, cleaning it up, and I've been having problems with that steering. I did a bunch of changes, as you guys know, the calipers, tires, steel lines, trying to get some stability. And then I thought it might be the steering shaft. Now, the funny thing about the steering shaft is right in front of or beyond a heat shield plate. If you can see there, just enough to where it doesn't get hung up. They need to be removed. And when it hangs up on that steering, it leads to that intermittent problem with the steering having some sort of a delay. Here I am trying to fix a few things, and I'm telling you, the only thing I was able to accomplish, this little clip right here, I was able to find them on Amazon and replace both sides, so that's the support for the brake line. And again, that heat shield was getting in the way of the steering. I'm going to take a close look at the new one to see if there's a bushing problem. In other words, is that connector, does it have some kind of insulating bushing that should be replaced? If not, I'm going to go with it. Anyway, I thought it was a win. After taking a look at the newer parts, I'm realizing that this is the upper part of the steering shaft, and it does have a universal joint. They call this the mid, I guess, the mid steering assembly. This here is the lower, and kind of the same story. It's got a boot and it's got a universal, and you can see how with some oxidation how they could wear fairly easily. They come with the bolt. This one needs a bolt. Hopefully I can salvage the one that's there. Go ahead and replace it.
Like and subscribe. Por favor, dale me gusta y suscríbete.